Okay, so this calculator I found at Dollar Tree for $1.25 and $1.25, and it's Jot, or yeah, Jot, I guess. These new calculators, most of these calculators have a warning telling you that battery can cause the battery, the LR1130, can cause death. Any of these button batteries, okay, made in China. And this one does turn on compared to the one that is made from Daiso. And you press the button here, it does turn on, as you can see. All right, so it comes again with another notice telling you that it's dangerous to swallow the battery. Even though the battery is nice and locked in there. This device complies with the Part 15 of the FCC rules. I know you can't really see that, maybe there, but it says the electronic calculator made in China. So probably a very generic type of calculator. Let me turn it on. So we can definitely do things like 6 times 9, and then we press equals 54. Or let's say 6 times 9, and let's press the plus button, gives you still 54. Has a square root feature, so 25 square root gives you 5, that's nice. And if I say 100 times 10%, it gives me 10. Or 100 divided by 10% gives you 1,000, that's right. And then you can turn it on again. If I put 36 and I put memory plus and then press the clear, and if I say 35 plus maybe recall, 36 equals 71. That's nice. Press the on button or off and on. The memory is gone out. What about 6 take away 9? Will it give me the negative number? Yeah, -3. A lot of calculators do that, don't they? That they put the negative all the way out here. Just the way these are built. Turn it on again. And let's see, what else can we do? How about something like 8 times 9 take away 6 divided by 20 equals, and 3.3. How about 1 divided by 36? Gives you some accuracy, 0.02777777. Okay, very nice. Very nice indeed. Compact, very lightweight, and you can do very, very, very basic calculations. Okay, and let's try the decimal. That's probably the only button I haven't done yet. 2.5 take away 3, let's say 36 equals 33.5, and then there's the negative right there. Okay, so overall, construction's really nice. You can compare it to something like the TI-36X Pro math print, and it's really small in its look and feel. Let's, there are other calculators. I have them right here. Let's look at the Casio, the FX260. That's a very nice calculator. And this one, I don't think I ever put a battery. Oh, I did put a battery on it. The Basic. No, this is the Basic 3009 calculator. And I don't know where the other one is from Daiso. I might have it somewhere. But for now, these are good enough to demonstrate. Okay. And you can see the size of these other ones, the basic. There's a different design here, but seems to have the same type of buttons. And the FX260, which definitely has a lot more features and capabilities and cost a lot more. Well, I think this was like almost $10. Okay, I hope that was informative, and I hope to hear from you down on below the descriptions in the comment section. Tell a friend, tell your teacher about this video, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.